Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Proxmox VE tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default VMID behavior, so that your new virtual machines start from VMID 3000 instead of the lower default range such as 100, 101, or 102. This is useful for enterprise environments, home labs, and IT administrators. Let's get started. Before making any changes, let's quickly understand what a VMID is. A VMID, or Virtual Machine ID, is a unique number assigned to every virtual machine and container in Proxmox VE. By default, Proxmox typically starts assigning VMIDs beginning at 100 and then increments automatically. Please follow on-screen instruction. However, by creating your first VM with VMID 3000 and adopting a structured numbering scheme, you can effectively manage all future virtual machines using the 3000 range and beyond. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications for more Proxmox, virtualization, Windows Server, and IT administration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.